Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a picture transparent in PowerPoint PPT windows. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click this Shapes drop down menu. Then insert a rectangle shape. Then go to Shape Fill drop down menu. Then click this picture. Then insert a picture in rectangle shape. Then click this Format Shape drop down menu. Then go to Fill and Line. Then click this Fill. Then you increase opacity. Here you can see I make picture transparent in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.